Hi, it's me again. This time I'm going to show you how to check the comments that I've made on your discussion sections. Right now, this is a course that I'm taking on Canvas. And if you think your 6-week course is condensed, this is a 10-day course. It's making me nuts, and I know how you feel. So to view your grades, first thing you do is go over to the grades section right here and click on it. You'll see a list of graded assignments. Go to your discussion. So for example, let's look at this section 2. If you come over here, you see the 2 little text boxes. Click on that. And when you do that, the list of comments that the professor, me, has made will come up. So you can see this professor has made quite a few comments to me, and I can view them all. When you're done, simply click Close, and you're returned to the grades section. I hope this helps.